Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. Yeah, Bitcoin did so far hold basically all the trend reversal areas up here on this higher, in this high consolidation area. And it seems like we're moving up the stairs here a little bit. Yeah, so didn't want to move that. So it really seems like, we did move up here, came up in our 1-2 setup, did hold the support area, move into the next one. Yeah, and I've now added a next one, which is really a micro support area for a possible new small degree 1-2 setup. Absolutely possible that this is a bullish breakout pattern. Yeah, remember what we talked about in previous videos. As long as we're holding 27,560, a direct breakout from here is possible and actually expected. So even though this is not the best bottoming structure, and even though I still think that it would look much better, this whole structure, with one more wave down into the 27,500 area, what I cannot rule out is a possible direct breakout, because this is a possible 5-wave move to the upside. It's not the clearest one, okay, and that's why I still have labeled it as a corrective wave X, which could result in a wave Y to finish off this wave 2 correction, which started on the wave 2 correction started on the 3rd of April. Yeah, so wave 1 up, wave 2 down. If this wave 2 is already over, it would have bottomed probably here on the 6th of April. And this would be some kind of a strange bottoming structure. And we are rallying already here now in a wave 1. I mean, it could even, there are different possibilities, right? Actually, it might make sense to consider it ended here, but let's just leave it like that. What I can highlight is there is a potential that this is a 5-wave move up, and therefore I have added bullish support. As long as we now hold the 27,974 level, we could look and watch if the blue count is working out and in control. So we are still in favor of a direct breakout anyway. The 27,560 level, or let's call it 27,500 level, is for me a key level. As long as that's holding, again, I remain in favor of a direct breakout to the upside. If we go a little bit of up and down in here, I mean, honestly, this is just noise. But if this is already an impulse to the upside, as long as it's now holding just of this particular move, the 27,970 level, I think we have a chance of a direct breakout. Yeah, it probably would make sense actually to say, okay, it probably bottomed here then, if this is the breakout, because then we would have had probably here something like an A wave, a B wave, and a C wave, but it would be a truncated one, so it happens very rarely. We did have a member live stream yesterday about how to trade corrective waves, and in there I did highlight if the C wave is a bit strange, which this one would be as a possible ending diagonal, but if it is strange and is a bit too short, I would treat it with suspicion, and I want some more confirmation of the next move up to really say it is already the next move to the upside, instead of just a bit of a fake out. Yeah, more confirmation than normal. So I would really want to get here now the confirmation that it's holding support, right? And ideally also breaks above the wave 1 high, which is at 28,550. Normally, had we just seen a nice move down, nice reaction to it, and 5 waves up, I would probably confirm that we have a good chance that this low is in. Now I'm a bit skeptical, because this would have been an unusual bottoming structure. But you see all sorts of stuff on the lower time frames. I mean, bear in mind, I'm looking here at the 30-minute chart. The 1 hour doesn't really reveal anything different. It's just that to see a bit more detail, we were on the 30-minute chart. But yeah, possible 5-wave move up. It's going to be interesting to see if we're holding support. What we're eventually looking for in this correction is a reaction now in this blue wave 2, somewhere to this area. It doesn't need to come down that low, but this is the standard support area for a wave 2. So it would be likely to get into that area the same way as it reacted here to the golden ratio and here to the golden ratio as well on the 3rd of April. Yeah. So ideally something between 28,185 and 27,974. If it doesn't go down that low, that's what it is. This is not necessarily a must for a price to get into this area in a wave 2, but it's likely. You're eventually looking for an ABC correction in this wave 2 before we then break out in a 3rd wave. And yeah, I think you know, as soon as we get really above this resistance area here, which is the 29,200 level, I think it's go time. As long as we're holding support, a rally is possible at any time. If we drop below 27,974, I think we have a chance to find support at the previous support range here. Yeah, it would just be this WXY pattern then. And then we just take it level by level, we take it from there. But this is another attempt now to breakouts. I mean, how many attempts do we really need, right? It tried, it failed so far. But clearly upside pressure is still there. So this is the next pattern we're watching if we are using this wave to ride the breakout. Depends on how well the bulls can surf the waves now. So we keep an eye on that. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.